When creating drawings, you've always been able to take advantage of reusing dimensions from the model, but sometimes this can take a long time and be a little bit fiddly, so many people just resort to adding dimensions manually. In Solidworks 2011, however, you can happily throw them all on the drawing in one go. You can see it's done a really nice job of organising the dimensions so that none of the leaders overlap and everything is spaced out nicely. You may need to manually move some of the radius dimensions, but look at these concentric diameters. Even the text is staggered so that they don't overlap. A real productivity gain. Solidworks assumes you put the section view and the detail view on the drawing for a reason and prioritises dimension placement on these views. Now when you select multiple dimensions, the dimension palette includes an extra row of icons for dimension layout and alignment control. The handy thumb wheel makes it easy to adjust the spacing between dimensions, and the text alignment ensures your drawings are easy to read. Let's take another look at the staggered dimensions. If you edit them using the dimension palette and show limit tolerances, for example, this will of course mess up your layout. This is where the auto arrange button saves the day. You can then modify the spacing if things are a bit tight. Adding dimensions using the rapid dimension manipulator will of course move dimensions to fit them in the right place. But just to show that it's not a trick, we'll mess this drawing up by moving a few of the dimensions, go to the dimension palette and use the auto arrange. This is the exact same code that Solidworks uses when placing the dimensions in the first place, so you can be sure of consistent results. One of the most highly requested enhancements in drawings is the addition of dual dimensions in whole tables. This is a great way of removing any ambiguity when working with multiple suppliers or outsourcing manufacturing overseas. The exact format of how they look can be controlled from the options dialog, but there is also quick access on the right mouse button to switch this feature on or off, or to add units to make it clearer which is which. Adding or removing rows from the table can easily mess up the tag sequence in the table and on the drawing view. In Solidworks 2011, you no longer need to manually renumber the tags in the table. A simple right mouse click sorts it all out for you. There are of course many other enhancements, like using the model colour in the drawing as shown here, and when rotating a 3D view you no longer have to save the view first. So check the What's New guide for a complete list of productivity enhancements in Solidworks 2011.